Welcome back, students. Let's continue with the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Till the third stanza, we have seen that the poet seems to regret that he has left the first road for some other time and he took the second road, which provided him a better claim, as it was grassy and wanted wear, and it was less travelled by people. So he wanted to take up a path which was not taken up by many, in a way being a little adventurous, and still believing that he could never go back to the first one. As he says that how way leads on to way. So there will only be moving forward in life and starting a new destiny and a new journey as we live up. Let's see the fourth stanza now. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So he says that when he'll grow older, he will be telling to people somewhere ages and ages hence, after many, many years later, he shall be telling about his life to others with a sigh. Sigh can be releasing a deep breath, can be of relief or sadness or contentment. We are not sure about this, but with a sigh he would be telling about his life and how he had been at a point where two roads diverge in a wood, and he was the one who chose that path which was less travelled by people. And in a way, his decision has made all the difference in his life. Here, children, in this poem, the difference is taken in a positive way, though there is nothing in the poem which suggests about this difference, as it does not show whether his decision taken in his life was a correct one or not. But he seems a bit contented, satisfied that the choice that he has made has brought about a change in his life. So, children, through this poem, we get a message that life is a journey full of twists and turns, and the right thing to do is to move on without looking back. Whether the decision made by us is right or wrong, whatever direction our life goes depends upon the choice made by us, isn't it? So, in our journey of life, one can hardly come back to travel on the road not taken earlier. Children, let us have a look at the rhyming scheme used in the poem. Firstly, just see the poem consists of 4 stanzas having 5 lines each, with a rhyming scheme of A, B, A, B, where first line rhymes with the third and fourth, and the second rhymes with the fifth. Just see, would rhymes with stood and could, and both rhymes with growth. So we have a rhyming scheme here of A, B, A, B. Similarly, we can see in the second stanza, fair rhymes with where and there, and claim rhymes with same. A, B, A, B. Likewise, in the third stanza, lay rhymes with day and way, black rhymes with back. And last, fourth stanza, sigh rhymes with I and by, and hence rhymes with different. Road is personified, as it is said, road was grassy and wanted wear. So, road is characterized as a person. Also, we can say that it is a metaphor where road symbolizes the different directions we take in life. So, it is symbolic and also a metaphor used for the choices we make. Another use of metaphor here is the yellow wood, children. Yellow color refers to the withered and dried or yellow leaves which had covered the forest in a yellow glow, and also it refers to the hardships we have in our life, the difficulties that we face. So here yellow wood is used as a metaphor. We can see a simile where an object or idea is compared by using as or like. So here, as, just, as, fair. It is a simile and alliteration. The third line, wanted where, in the second stanza. Repetition of the first letter in the word. Wanted where, the W sound is repeated. And then ages and ages, which is another poetic device called repetition, where words are being repeated. Thus, children, we can conclude this poem with an idea that the poem is about life, written from the point of view of a young narrator who has started taking decisions in life. The expression of doubt also seems in the poem from the first line till the last. The expression of uncertainty or the dilemma about making choice is also seen here. Though there is some regret over his choice, yet the poet realizes that the things he has faced in life, by taking some decisions, has made all the difference in his life. We can relate the philosophy of the poem to our lives also, as this is the situation that comes in everyone's life. So children, with this we end this poem. Keep learning. Have a nice day.